This 2023 Cruiser RV Stryker M-2313 is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Cruiser RV is 27 feet 6 inches in length and features sleep 6, water heater, stovetop burner, carbon monoxide detector, air conditioning, skylight, DVD player, LP detector, smoke detector, oven, TV, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Cruiser RV Stryker M-2313 is 6,740 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.